Good morning, class 2. I hope you all are doing good. Now, today we are going to start with our half yearly revision. As you all know, that our half yearlies are coming very soon, and even before that, we have our oral test starting from 22nd of September. So, I hope you all have started your preparation, and we have shared the syllabus portion of oral test and schedule in the class group. So, kindly look into it as well. Now, today we're going to start with a revision work of chapter number 1, body and health. Okay, so in this chapter, what did we study? We studied all the body parts from head to toe. We have understood all the body parts. There is a detailed diagram on the very first page, so kindly go through that diagram very carefully. Next, we understood about sense organs, how many sense organs are there, what all functions do they perform in our body. Okay, so you need to memorize that. And at the very end of our chapter, we discussed some healthy habits, some good habits which we should follow in our daily life. Okay, for example, cutting our nails, showering. Okay, so like that, we need to follow some good habits in our daily life. Okay, so all of this information we have covered in this chapter, and I would suggest you all to go through all the content which I have given you in your notebook, in your textbook, in your assignment folder. Okay, everything is important from your exam point of view. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Class 2, I hope you all are doing good. Now today we are going to start with a revision work of first chapter, that is body and health of EVS. Okay, so these are your revision exercises. You will write down in your EVS notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting, and after completing your work, you will click the pictures and send it in the group before 5 p.m. positively. Now let's discuss the questions one by one. Question number 1 says, we have been given some options. Okay, so in these questions we have been given some options and we have to tick the correct option. So in the first one, it says mouth is used for eating, speaking, smiling, or all of these. We know that mouth is used for all of these actions, so we will tick correct on all of these. Next question is, our skin gives us the sense of. We have discussed the sense organ in the chapter. There are 5 sense organs and one of them is our skin. Okay, since skin is a sense organ. So, skin help us to give the sense of touch. Okay, it help us to feel things. Question number 2. In question number 2, we have been given a word in which the letters are not arranged in proper order. So what do we have to do? We have to arrange the letters first in a proper order, and then we have to see which particular word is that. So in this case, it is the word chest. Okay. In question number 3, it says, which parts of our body continue to grow even if we cut them. Okay, even if we cut them on a regular basis, they will keep on growing. So these are nails and hair. Okay, even if we cut them down, they grow after a period of time. And last, we have filling the blanks, in which we have been given some sentences with the blanks and we have to fill in these blanks with the correct answers. So first one is, we have dash sense organs. So how many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. Then I can see. Which sense organ help us to see? Then that is eyes. Okay, so our answer is eyes help us to see. Cut your dash once a week. What should we cut once a week? These are our nails. Okay, we should cut our nails once a week. Last one is, wash the dash and dash before eating. So we should always wash fruits and vegetables before consuming them, before eating them. Okay, otherwise we may fall sick. Now these were your exercises for today, which you need to write down in your notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care.